range I'm going to talk to you about today is Bareface, the facial wax. So Bareface facial wax is a wax specifically designed for use on the face. It's great for any therapist or brow artist who love to work with strip wax but are quite aware that traditional strip wax can sometimes be quite harsh on your client's skin. So Bareface applies like a strip wax, sets immediately. However, there is a pre-oil used underneath it, so this is protecting your client's skin. You can then just peel away the patch of Bareface. It picks up all the little light fine hairs and really gives a nice crisp finish underneath the brow. The trolley setup is quite neat and tidy as well. Our pot is a 200ml pot. The pre and post products are 250ml bottles. And the bag of Bareface beads is a 500g bag.